In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, hit Additional Settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, after tapping on Theme section, you can scroll down and click on all of those icons at the top right corners of all of those categories, like colors. Then click on the best theme for you. If you want to, you can click on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on. Then to save your keyboard, click Apply at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, and this time click on plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!